Ever tried drawing a floor plan by hand or struggling with complicated CAD software just to visualize a room? It's a massive headache. But what if an AI could take a rough sketch or a PDF blueprint and turn it into a fully editable 3D model in under 5 seconds? Today, we're looking at RoomSketcher, an online floor plan and home design tool that claims to do exactly that. Whether you're a homeowner planning a remodel or a real estate professional prepping a listing, RoomSketcher is built to make space planning incredibly simple. The magic starts with their AI Convert feature. You just upload a photo, a scan, or a PDF of an existing blueprint, and the AI converts it into a digital project almost instantly. From there, you don't need any technical drafting skills. You can easily drag and drop walls, pop in windows and doors, and watch your changes update instantly in both 2D and 3D. If you don't have an existing plan, you can easily draw one from scratch using their intuitive snap-fitting walls and live measurements. Once your layout is set, you can customize the styling by choosing different flooring, paint colors, and furniture to see how the space actually feels. Now, let's talk about what real users are saying. While our access to external review platforms is limited today, RoomSketcher boasts strong ratings online, averaging around 4.4 to 4.5 stars across Trustpilot, Google, and G2. Users like Alec and Shelby point out that the software is incredibly user-friendly and fast enough to edit in real time right in front of a client. They love how easy it is to copy projects to show multiple layout options. On the flip side, keep in mind that while you can get started for free to test the waters, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan to unlock the more advanced professional features and high-quality outputs. So, is RoomSketcher the best tool for 2026? If you want to skip the steep learning curve of traditional CAD design and get polished, professional floor plans in minutes, it is absolutely worth a look. You can try it out for free to see if it fits your workflow. Have you tried RoomSketcher or its AI tools yet? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.